So voucher ni dua is NTUC voucher. And also
half NTUC vouchers and then half is Gain City.
Dapat CDC, dapat voucher. Baloi lah
CDC,
NTUC.
Takkan government kasih CDC.
Itu government kita tak sponsor ataupun government tak collaborate dengan kita.
Okay. Okay, why we say planning is important for us? Bila every client yang datang jumpa kita, it's not something yang kita first thing, of course siapa tak nak tutup sales kan, tapi what we looking at is when you come, you want to do your renovation, we need to know what is your timeline. Kita tak mau janji kosong.
Dalam toilet? Dalam rumah kan, dalam toilet.
Sebab dia excited. So nanti dia nampak kita masuk kan. Nanti dia sama CCTV tu motion sensor. So dia akan ikut.
Boleh berbual tak?
Boleh. Sometimes we talk to them. Ni okay tak?
Cool.